Hey guys, I'm back. I haven't vlogged much for the past few days because I guess I've been busy with work and stuff. I mean, I vlogged over the weekend with Salika, so it's not that long ago. But so you know how I was saying that I had like a cold, sorta. Just I was sore throat, and I think I might have mentioned the cough, but I also might not have. I had a cough like a little bit in Alaska. And then it turned to a sore throat, and then it came to like a regular cold, sort of. And then it like went away. Literally, I swear, it was gone for like 2 days or so. I didn't feel it, and I was like, "Yay, I'm feeling better." But then, not the day before yesterday, I started like coughing and sneezing a lot. I'm more sneezing or more coughing than I am sneezing. I have a deep cough. Hopefully you won't have to hear it. It's really painful, so I don't want to demonstrate it for you if I don't have to. But I'm sleeping in a lot today. I didn't work today, so I'm just, I slept till like 12:30, like no joke. I've been up for 15 minutes. It's 12:45. And I'm okay with that, because I needed it really bad. Oh god, see, there you go. It's like a wheezing cough. I probably should go to the doctor if this doesn't go away. Sort of got sick of drinking tea last night, so like when I was about to go to bed, I just drank hot water. But now I'm back to drinking tea. I forced myself to drink tea. Yay! I forced myself to drink tea today before coffee. I really don't need to be drinking coffee, though I'll probably still have coffee at some point. Sorry, it's probably gonna happen, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, I'm just gonna edit and watch vlogs, and really, sorry, I'm like moving this a whole bunch. Take it easy today, because I have to work again tomorrow. I'd really like this to be like gone, or almost gone, or at least under better control before I have to work again. Because after working yesterday, I think it made it worse, but you know, sometimes that's how it goes. I'm gonna keep relaxing and watching videos. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. She's trying to figure out
BB-8 is reacting to himself.
That'd be so great. I'd be so happy if she did that. Oh my god, please do it. And he will make sounds when you Nope.
She was like pushing hard on it with her nose though.
Yes, hi BB-8. He did that on his own, actually.
I love it when he goes near me. You can make him look at you too. If you stop him and you keep pushing him forward, his head goes up.
His head's supposed to do that?
Yes, his head spins all.
This is really funny. You like watching yourself, BB-8?
I can explain, because I had to put it together. But I don't want to ruin the magic right now, so I'll tell you after. Hey, so, I'm just gonna keep relaxing today. I just want to let you guys know my new idea now. I'm just gonna relax on the couch here and actually watch Freak Show, American Horror Story Freak Show. I remember Salika and I, we're trying to like rewatch a lot of it. So she didn't see she hasn't seen anything. Well, now she has, but before she hadn't seen anything except the first season. Now she's up to 5th season, and I was trying to watch it sort of along with her, but don't have time to. And I was all the way back in the 2nd season rewatching it. I watched all of them except season 5 with the hotel. Not really big fan of some of the seasons in between, but I liked Freak Show, so I decided just to skip the rest of season 2 and then go to Freak Show, because I remember liking it, and I never finished Freak Show. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit, watch some Netflix, finish uploading my vlog, and just relax, because I need to relax. And I'm excited to relax. It's very nice. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.